I forgot to show you a comparison also between the Forclaz wallet and the Solognac X-Axis size X. I wanted to show you also a comparison between the Forclaz wallet and the Solognac X-Axis size extra small daily. This is how they look like. This is a wallet for hiking, backpacking or something, and this is the Solognac X-Axis setup, and they're pretty much very similar in size, but the X-Axis size extra small is a little bit smaller, and it also has these things on the top, on the front here, which could be very useful. This one is pretty much just a wallet like that. It is convenient and you can have things here. I have a pocket knife here and I have a bit of some small medicine kit and a few post-its and the pen and tape combo like that. So this also can fit some interesting things in it, like this. Even a pocket knife, you can have a pocket knife in this. They are both pretty good, but I like this one more. I did enjoy the wallet from the Forclaz, but this is much more compact. You can fit it in the pocket. They both will fit in your pocket, but this one is more pocketable, let's say. That's it. I hope this helps you. Thanks for watching.